So guys, for today's video, gagala tayo. Pag tinignan nyo yung building guys, parang palasyo no, pero alam nyo ba guys na hindi yan palasyo. Yan po ay isang prison dito sa Mansfield, Ohio guys. Sobrang ganda tingnan sa labas. Pero nagkakamali kayo guys kasi yan po ay isang prison. So, samahan nyo ako guys. So papasok na po kami guys. At alam nyo ba guys na itong building na ito ay almost 100 years. So sobrang tagal na po. Alam nyo ba yung movie guys na Book Room? Dito sila nagsushooting guys. At ito yung kwarto niya guys. Ito yung kwarto na ginamit niya kung saan sila shooting. So tingnan nyo guys, the book rooms. Sobrang luma na to na building guys, akalain mo, nakapunta ako dito. At first time ko lang makapasok sa mga lumang gusali guys na prison. At alam nyo ba guys na ang mga tao dito sa Ohio is yung panampalataya nila is mas palagi silang nagsisimba. So ito guys, yung prison is merong simbahan kasi yung mga inmates dito ay palaging nagsisimba. So ito yung simbahan nila guys. Sobrang luma na. Tapos parang aklain mo parang bibigay na yung building, pero sobrang siguro sa pulido sa gawa. So yan guys. Dito sila nagsisimba yung mga inmates. Yan guys. May lumang at may picture pa ni Jesus guys sa gusali. Tingnan nyo guys. Parang di ka makapaniwala talaga. At pagkatapos silang magsimba guys, siyempre papasok na sila sa selda nila. So ito yung daanan sa mga selda nila. Sobrang lawak guys at sobrang nakatakot talaga. Tingnan nyo guys. Di ko akalain na ang lawak sa loob. Tapos yun. So hindi ka talaga makakatakas kasi sobrang secure talaga ng presohan na ito guys. Tapos yun nga, sobrang lawak. So I think madaming inmates ang mapapasok dito kasi napakalawak ng presohan guys. At yun guys, nakakatakot siguro at may kababalaghan siguro nangyayari dito kasi alam nyo na prison, so madami sigurong mga namatay at yun. At yung pagpasok na namin sa mga selda guys, doon tumindig yung balahibo ko. Ewan ko, basta lang. At yun guys, so it's my first experience na makapasok sa mga selda or lumang prisuhan. So nakaka-amaze talaga na ganito pala kalawak yung loob at sobrang secure guys.
But cells 2 through 51 are going to be the inmate cells.
Yan guys.
Now look, second cell is where a typical cell would look like around the 1950s. You can imagine putting two guys to one of these cells here. At one point, these cells were housing about 4 guys.
At dalawa ang mapapasok sa isang kwarto.
Population here at the reformatory.
At alam nyo ba guys na gigibain na sana itong building na ito, pero alam nyo ba na may isang tao guys na pinili niya itong buildings na for $1 only. Yes, binili niya itong building na ito for $1 sa government of Mansfield. So yan guys, nasave niya yung building for $1 at nakaka-amaze no kasi for $1 only at yun, nabili mo ang building at yun guys, na-shock ako kasi di ako akalain na yung presyo niya is $1 lang.
So right here, he was serving 1 to 15 years for assault with intent to kill. Now 1 to 15, what that means is, every morning he's waking up thinking, is this damn getting out? Is this damn getting out? Well, 2 years into his sentence, he goes up for parole, 1960. and he thinks he's gonna get parole from here, but instead he gets rejected.
At itong selda na to guys, may story ito sa likod ng kwartong ito.
And we still have 5 inmates that are wanted by the U.S. Marshals today. What escapes inside these walls exist today, but so we had escapes outside the arms on left or right. Yeah, my uncle Jeff, he come in here every year for 4 years. The high school took him on regular tours of the facility. And he remembers, walking down this. He said it was kind of like he was doing some kind of a class. I can't remember exactly what class he was taking, but. And I was flipping some of the chairs over on the tables, and you could see the gold sticker with your reformatory on it.
At dito nagtatapos ang tour ko sa prison guys. At of course, pupunta naman tayo sa ibang destination. Hello guys! Nandito ako ngayon sa beach. Beach. Ano yun? Beach. Beach. Akala ko anong beach sa kanila guys. Ito pala yung lake. Pero beach ang tawag nila. Tingnan nyo guys. Napakaganda. At may madaming tao. I will show you guys. Ito niya yung tubig guys. Ang hindi maganda pero madaming naliligo.
And this is Mohican River.
Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Mohican River. Yeah. It's a forest guys. Alam niyo na forest. Amazing. Itong bridge guys. Nalala niyo yung horror movie na may I think that's the I don't remember guys. So ngayon guys, maglalakad tayo. Pupunta tayo So guys, nandito tayo guys sa waterfalls. Wala siyang tubig guys kasi hindi umulan kasi kaya walang tubig pero may konti. May konti tubig siya. Tingnan nyo guys. Napakaganda dito guys. It's amazing. Napaganda guys. Tapos tahimik. Indian land to siya. Kaya tinawan lang tourist spot. Ganda. So this is the end of my video today guys, at sana mag-enjoy kayo sa aking vlog at mag-subscribe kayo guys for more videos, and thank you so much and bye bye.